We're back in Ontime, and today we're going to talk about the Cuesheet view. I'm going to start the timer so everything looks a little more complete. To navigate to the Cuesheet view, go to the top left, click on Cuesheet, and now we have our Cuesheet view. The top bar matches the top bar in the editor, which is an overview of the rundown on the left and the running timers on the right. Below the top bar is a table representation of the rundown. This provides an overview of the full rundown and is a great collaboration view for your team. On the top left, if we click View, we have the ability to show and hide various columns. So let's say I'm the audio operator and I want to simplify the view for my purposes. If I go up here to the top left and click View, what I can do is turn off any columns not related to my job. This keeps things nice and simple and streamlined for my purposes. If I need an additional column, what I can do is add a custom field. To do that, we go back to the editor, click the settings, go down to custom fields. We can click new. Let's add track name. We'll make that purple. Click save. When we go back to the Cuesheet, we'll see that shows up immediately. Now we can use this new custom field in our Cuesheet. Let's go back and show all. The Cuesheet is by default in edit mode. While in edit mode, we have access to the overflow menu on the left for every row. Here we can make modifications to the rundown or to any existing event. Any changes to the event in the Cuesheet immediately propagate to all other Ontime views. When it comes to showtime, we can change the Cuesheet to run mode. The run mode will disable editing in the Cuesheet to avoid accidental changes. Let's drag this in so we can see how this interacts. It automates the view to automatically follow along with playback. As you can see, clicking next or back, the Cuesheet will follow along. The Cuesheet is a great collaboration interface. You can easily create links to share the Cuesheet to distribute with your team or clients. The share links can contain granular read and write permissions for the rundown data. Behind the scenes, Ontime will create a preset to support this view. The preset has a randomly generated name by default. We will look more into presets in another video. In the Access Mode panel, we can choose which columns of the Cuesheet the user can read or write. Let's imagine I'm creating a link to share with a client, and I want them to provide me with PowerPoint file names. Click Custom Read, Custom Write. I will create a view with read access to title, start time, and PowerPoint name, while only granting write access to PowerPoint name. Now we can scroll down to show additional options like lock navigation to prevent the user from navigating away to other views, and for setups with a password to include the password in the share URL. Clicking Create Link will copy the link to the clipboard and update the QR code on the top right. We'll close the share window. We can now open this link in another browser where we can see the title, start time, and PowerPoint name columns. And if we click Edit Mode in the top right, we are able to write to the PowerPoint name field. And that's it for the Cuesheet. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.